Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about how to sell your products on Instagram. We have 6 ideas for you that are sure to get you more customers. Let's begin. So we don't need to introduce you to Instagram. Your personal account is live and kicking, and you know how it works. Your friends and followers are there commenting and liking your photos. All goody good. But when it comes to running your business on Instagram, things are a bit different. Instagram has emerged as one of the biggest social media marketplaces in the past couple of years. What that means is people are buying and selling things on Instagram more than ever. Cakes, scrunchies, recycled stuff, thrift stores, custom shoes. There's a whole new economy on Instagram that's thriving. And if you're watching this video, you're probably selling something too on Instagram. So at Dukaan, we help entrepreneurs sell anything online, and we help them day in and day out with their journey. We talked to many of them who were selling products on Instagram, and we researched and studied about what worked and what didn't for them. So based on our research, here are 6 unique tips to increase your sales on Instagram that actually work. First tip is to create a sense of urgency in your online store. So let me explain how this goes. So ever heard of the Big Billion Days sale or Black Friday sale? Of course, right? We all have. So why do people wait for it? They wait patiently for buying stuff that they need on Black Friday or Big Billion Day sale so that they can get it way cheaper than other days. The key word here is scarcity. Creating a sense of urgency or scarcity makes your customer buy quickly, and that's it. More scarcity equal to more demand, and more demand equal to more sales. In people's minds, if there is something that is limited or exclusive, they want to possess or be part of it as it satisfies their need to feel special. That's the psychological explanation for it. If your customers know that this opportunity is not going to stay for long and will come back after a long period of time, they will want to buy your product and in large numbers than usual. Incorporate this into your marketing plan and show scarcity and urgency wherever possible. So one way to do that is to use Instagram's story feature to spread the word. Create a special day sale every month. Call it monthly special or throwaway sale or something of that sort, and promote it through Insta stories or reels. Make sure you run the limited time offer during the first week of every month and not towards the end of the month. The reason? People have more cash on their hands during the first weeks of the month. Hint: salary. So if you are on Dukaan, you could create limited time discount coupons that you could promote through stories and promotions. It's all inbuilt on Dukaan, and it's easy for you to create and promote them. On Instagram, however, you might need to do it manually. Your choice. Second, practice consistency in posting content. You've heard it probably a million times before, right? And that's because it's true. Instagram promotes or favors accounts that post content regularly. In addition to using the right hashtags and making reels and such, you need to be consistent with your posts. And this is the reason why when you haven't posted any content in a while, your sales drop flat. Noticed it, right? So posting regular content almost daily makes a huge difference in your visibility. And the more time you devote to be seen on Insta, the more it'll make your store appear on people's feeds. More visibility equal to more sales. That's the funda. Keep consistent, keep posting, you will see the difference yourself. Now the third point, be creative and experiment a lot with the kind of content that you post. Show your customers something new every time. Following trends is a good idea, but find a way to create new engaging content for your customers all the time. They need to see something that catches their eye, and there's nothing better than new and exciting content to do this. I know it's tough, but hear me out. Create new types of reels. Find new sounds, filters, and create new hashtags that people could love to associate with, and you will see how it affects your reach and ultimately your sales. You can also try out a new spin to an existing trend or a completely new trend itself. Keep coming up with new ideas and showcase your products to your customers if you want their attention and their business. The key word here is attention. For example, this Instagram marketing handle, Mad Over Marketing Mom, showcases the best marketing ideas that brands are using all over the world. Their posts are creative, catchy, and worth reading. Build a credible brand for yourself with such techniques. Here's a tip for you. Follow the Dukaan handle on Instagram if you want to see what kind of fun content you could produce that our customers are making. We try to promote and share interesting content created by our customers on our official handle, so do take a look at it. You will find some inspiration there. The link should be flashing here on your screen. And now the fourth point. Create content with a personal touch. I know, it's your business, and business is always about products and sales, right? How can it be personal? You see, it's difficult to add a human touch to your products online, but is it really? Think of it like this. When a customer enters your physical store, aren't they more likely to buy a product that you yourself prefer or you recommend, or one that you tell them is worth it among the rest of the clutter? Try to include similar interesting content on your store, like adding a character that endorses your product, or create a behind the scenes reels of your store. Show how your products are being made or packaged. People like to see raw, real content and not just the glitz and glamour all the time. That's just way too much of it, right? So for example, check out what customized hair and skincare brands like Skincraft or Vedix are doing. They're asking their customers to record video testimonials of their products after using them. When real people talk about the product, whether good or bad, other people listen. For example, we as children were more likely to trust what our teachers said than what was written in our book, right? Even if the book was correct, we inherently believed a human over everything else. The same psychology happens with businesses as well. So when information comes from a fellow human being, it leaves no doubt in our mind about the product. The more like the person, the better it is. And that's why brands have celebrities and stuff. So many of our customers who use Dukaan have found this to be very effective in generating more sales. I'm sure you will too. So please go for it. And now the fifth point, engage with your customers. Please. See, when you post pictures or videos of your products on Instagram, your customers will comment and DM you to know more about those products. It may be a lame comment or a DM, but he or she is a potential customer and it's completely okay. So make sure you reply to each and every customer and every single query. You'll be surprised to know that many stores don't reply to their customers. And I assure you, nothing makes a customer leaves faster than being ignored. There's a huge competition among small businesses on Instagram, and you do not want to lose your customers to someone else. So never ignore them. Make sure you watch your comments and DM section like a hawk, and if possible, respond to queries as soon as possible. Quick replies equal to happier customers, and happier customers equal to more sales. Simple fun, right? So this brings us to the sixth and last tip of the video, which is use product links and make it easier for your customers to buy your products. Let me explain. Product links are links that take your customers directly to a specified product. It's an amazing way to streamline your sales process and rope in more customers. See, the biggest pain point about running your business on Instagram is that it does not give you any way to categorize, link, or even share your product. You post a product, and what's the number one comment that comes? PP. Price please, isn't it? So tracking sales via DMs and comments is nothing less of a nightmare on Instagram. People ask for price and then ghost you out. That sucks. So what's the solution? Create a link for every product on your store and let people buy it from the link. You just share the link and kaam khatam. On Instagram, the traditional way is to create product links by creating your own website, installing some third-party software, payment gateways, buying expensive eCommerce software, etc. There's way too much work out there. Or you could try it the smarter way, like some of our customers do. Use Dukaan. It's free to get started. Just click pictures of your products, add price and description, and voila, you can have an entire catalog of all your products with links to each of them that you can share in comments on Instagram. For every PP comment you get, just share the link and anyone can go buy the product from the link. And there is a bonus, you don't have to get payment also through DMs. Just plug in your Google Pay or Paytm ID on Dukaan itself and the money comes automatically to your bank account when someone buys the product. Boom. So much more easy, isn't it? We've had several new generation entrepreneurs run their businesses like this on Instagram and Dukaan, and they promote their store on Instagram with interesting content and share their Dukaan product links whenever possible so that they don't have to worry about managing payments or purchases through DMs and comments. So there you have it. 6 tips from folks who are nailing it on Instagram and running their businesses small and big there. If you're running your business on Instagram, try these tips and I'm sure that they will help you boost your sales as well. Please share this video with your other entrepreneur friends as well. I'm sure they will also like it. I'll see you in the next video. Check out Dukaan. The link is in the description and flashing on your screens here.